After watching this lesson, make sure to check out my website where you can learn about my premium English video courses and how to get in touch with me for one-on-one lessons together. Link in the description. Hey, what is going on, everyone? I hope you are having a fantastic day. My name is Grant. I'm an English teacher from America, and this channel is all about how you can become a better, more confident English speaker. Today, I have a vocabulary lesson for you. We are going to talk about 10 more advanced words that you can use at work or school to sound like a genius. I'll give you the definitions, some example sentences, and at the end, you can practice using these words for yourself. If you understand these words and can use them correctly, you will impress a lot of people with your vocabulary. Let's get started. The first word I have for you guys is innovate. Innovate, as a verb, it means to create new ideas, methods, or products. So to create new things. The noun form is innovation, and if you are very creative and can think of many great new ideas, you are innovative, the adjective. The company has been selling the same products for 5 years. They need to innovate. They need to create new ideas. Micromanage. As a verb, this means to become involved and to control every single part of an activity, even the very small parts. This is kind of annoying, so it's not a good thing to micromanage people. A person that does this very often, you can call them a micromanager. My boss checks on me every 10 minutes, the entire day at work. He's such a micromanager. He's always trying to control every small thing I do. Shareholder, as a noun, this is a person who has paid money to invest in a company. They own shares or stock in that company. The company has a meeting with shareholders every 3 months. A very similar word is investor. Revenue, as a noun, that is the money a company makes from selling its products or its services. So all the money that a company earns, that is its revenue. The company earned $100,000 in sales revenue last month. If you didn't know, K, when it's about a number, that equals 1,000. So 100K is 100,000. Profit, as a noun, this is your revenue minus your cost. For example, if a company sells shirts for $25 and it costs the company $15 to make the shirt, their profit is $10. This is revenue, this is cost, this is profit. If profit is negative, that is called a loss. Contract, as a noun, that is an official, written, or spoken agreement. And after 2 people sign the contract, if you break the contract or you don't do what it says, that is against the law. When you start work, you sign an employment contract. Guarantee, that is an official promise. Usually in business, this will be about the product or service the company is selling. Lots of products have something like this. If you aren't totally satisfied, you can send it back within 30 days for a full refund. That is a guarantee. Void and null. These words are pretty much the same, and when it is about a contract, it means canceled or no longer official. So if a contract is void, then it's canceled, it's over. Please sign the employment contract by the end of the week. After that, the contract will be void. So you have to agree by the end of the week. After that, the contract is gone. Vision. You probably know that that is about your eyes, but when it's in business, a company's vision is that company's plans, goals, and hopes for the future. For example, we hope to be the #1 shoe company in California and be selling our shoes online within the next 5 years. That is a company's vision. All right, last word, and then we will practice. Merge as a verb, that is when two companies combine together and become one company. The noun form is merger. KEB Bank and Hana Bank merged together and became one bank, KEB Hana. Now let's practice. For each sentence below, find the correct new vocabulary word to go in the blank. Pause the video, and when you're ready to see the answers, click play. Okay, here are your answers. The two companies merged last month. The shareholders aren't happy because the company's revenue is down this month. If you buy this product, I guarantee you will love it. The company has big visions for the future. Next set, do the same exact thing. Pause the video, and when you're ready to see the answers, click play. Here we go. The contract is now void. It is canceled. The company hopes the new innovation will increase profit. I hate my boss. He's such a micromanager. All right, excellent work, everyone. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, you should definitely do so. And if you want to stay connected, you can follow me on Instagram or like my page on Facebook. Keep studying hard, guys, and I hope you have a fantastic day.